Would you like to have a video display that literally covers your entire wall? Stick around and we'll talk about some of the exciting things that are happening in large-scale video. I'm Joe with the Gramophone in Maryland. In recent years, TV sets have become bigger and bigger, and consumers are loving their 65 and 75-inch display devices because the quality has become better as time has gone on. But the ultimate in video size and picture quality and flexibility is actually a video wall. These used to be really commercial grade only and always 6 figures or more. But recently, prices have become surprisingly more affordable. So let's dig a little bit deeper into it. Now, why might you want a video wall instead of a flat panel TV or even, let's say, a projector and screen? I think there's really 3 reasons. The first is, with a video wall, you get to decide just how big and how spectacular you want the image to be, simply by changing the number and or the size of the panels. You get to make that choice when you're setting up the system. And secondly, you get to display the content in the way that you want. So for example, this entire wall can be, as you see here, the same image. But you might choose instead to separate those images. So imagine during March Madness, you've actually got 3 separate basketball games going and you're keeping track of all 3 at once. Sports fans love that feature. Or for that matter, you can use it as a giant window display. You get to decide the content and how it's displayed. And third, it's modular. You can change it later. If you want this 3-panel system to become a 4-panel, simply add an additional panel and then the electronics behind it that are actually driving the system. So you can grow and change as time goes on. Sony's video technology, of course, is famous, and there's a few particular things that they do really well that work in such a large panel environment. One is colors really pop on these Sony display devices. They use their famous Sony 22-bit SuperBit technology. Blues look really deep, rich blue. Reds look absolutely beautiful. The second thing is, you really want the edges to be as clearly defined as they possibly can be. Sony's reality creation system allows them to give us clean, clear table edge of an actor's face, that sort of thing. And third, motion. Sony's motion flow technology means that when the actors are running across the screen or the ball players are all racing for the ball, all that motion won't cause any blurring. Instead, it'll look smooth and clear. What does a system like this cost? Well, compared to the always 6 figures and up systems of not that long ago, it's surprisingly affordable. This system, as we've laid it out, would start at about $25,000 retail. If this is the right solution for your family room, your boardroom, your restaurant, great. If not, we have lots of other solutions. So come visit us at the Gramophone in Timonium, Columbia, or Gaithersburg, Maryland. We'll be happy to work with you to get a system that fits your needs. Visit www.gramophone.com and see all of our other products, or shop at Sky by Gramophone. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment in the comments section. We'd love to hear what you thought about this video. We look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.